Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Make sure the speaker has at least 20% battery or is plugged in, because resets worst-case drain power. Once powered, disconnect Bluetooth and aux to prevent immediate reconnection. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown if responding slowly, then wait 5 seconds. If your model has a Bluetooth or Connect button, note its location now. You'll use it next. This prepares internal state and clears transient glitches before the formal reset procedure. Follow the model's reset combo. Typically press and hold power plus Bluetooth or volume down. Different Bose models vary, so combine the buttons noted earlier. You will see LED flashes or hear a tone. This signals the speaker is erasing pairing info and returning settings to factory defaults. Keep holding for the full 10 to 15 seconds until the indicator changes. Releasing early can abort the process. This wipes cached pairings and network info, resolving most persistent connectivity and software issues. After the reset completes, power the speaker on and immediately enter pairing mode so your device can discover it. This reinitializes the Bluetooth stack. Go to your phone or computer Bluetooth settings and remove any old Bose entries, then pair the fresh device listing. If you still can't connect, make sure the speaker firmware is current via the Bose app. If issues persist, reboot your router and try again. Network conflicts sometimes block reconnects. One tip: if LED patterns are unusual, repeat the reset once more before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.